Do not listen to my words as if they come only from me. What you are hearing is the Father living within me, doing his work through me. Believe me when I say this, I am in the Father, and the Father is in me. And if your heart struggles to believe my words, then believe at least by looking at the works themselves. I tell you the truth. Whoever believes in me will also do the works that I do. And even greater works than these will they do, because I am going to the Father. Whatever you ask in my name, I will do it, so that the Father may be glorified through the Son. Ask me for anything in my name, and I will do it. If you love me, keep my commandments, and I will ask the Father, and he will give you another helper, an advocate, to be with you forever. This helper is the Spirit of truth. The world cannot accept him, because it neither sees him nor knows him. But you know him, because he lives with you, and will be in you. I will not leave you as orphans. I will come to you. In a little while the world will not see me anymore, but you will see me. Because I live, you also will live. On that day you will realize something deeply powerful, that I am in my Father, you are in me, and I am in you. Whoever has my commandments and keeps them is the one who truly loves me, and the one who loves me will be loved by my Father. I will love them, and I will reveal myself to them. If anyone loves me, they will obey my teaching. My Father will love them, and we will come to them, and make our home with them. But anyone who does not love me will not obey my teaching. And remember, these words you hear are not mine alone. They belong to the Father who sent me. I have told you these things while I am still with you. But the Advocate, the Holy Spirit, whom the Father will send in my name, will teach you all things, and will remind you of everything I have said to you. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. So do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. You heard me say, I am going away, and I am coming back to you. If you truly loved me, you would rejoice that I am going to the Father, for the Father is greater than I. I have told you now before it happens, so that when it does happen, you will believe. I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener. Every branch in me that does not bear fruit, he cuts away. And every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes, so that it may bear even more fruit. You are already clean, because of the word I have spoken to you. Remain in me, and I will remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear fruit, unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me, and I remain in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. If you do not remain in me, you are like a branch that is thrown away and withers. Such branches are picked up, thrown into the fire, and burned. But if you remain in me, and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish, and it will be done for you. This is to my Father's glory, that you bear much fruit, showing yourselves to be my disciples. As the Father has loved me, so have I loved you. Now remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's commandments, and remain in his love. I have told you this, so that my joy may be in you, and that your joy may be complete. My command is this: love one another, as I have loved you. Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. You are my friends, if you do what I command.